Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So, like I said, I changed the name to Sundays with Jori, and we got a new channel look. Along with a new channel look comes a new me look. Also, side note, I'll probably be changing the pictures for our channel again. I just didn't really have any good pictures when I changed everything. So, those will be changed shortly. So today we are going to be teaching you and learning ourselves, we've never done this before, how to make fried ice cream. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so first off, for your ice cream, you will want to scoop some ice cream onto just like a pan and put it in the freezer for like an hour, and just however many scoops you want. We just got vanilla bean ice cream. I feel like vanilla would probably taste best with it, but I think you could probably do whatever ice cream flavor you wanted. So while that's in the freezer, you will want how much cornflakes?
4 cups, I think.
Yep, 4 cups.
And we're going to crush them.
Yeah, you want 4 cups of cornflakes and crush it. Alright, so once you're done crushing your cornflakes, you'll need how much cinnamon?
1 teaspoon.
You'll need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Just plop it in there, and then you mix it all up. Okay, so once you get your cinnamon all mixed in,
Milk.
2 eggs and a tablespoon of milk in a separate bowl. So whisk together your eggs and your milk. Yep. And then, so next, after an hour, get your frozen ice cream balls out of the freezer, and you are going to,
It says to try and make it into a better ball.
you're going to make it into a better ball. Then just roll it around in your cinnamon cereal mixture, get it nice and coated. And then put it in your egg milk mixture and roll it around in there. Then roll it in the cinnamon cereal mixture some more. And then put it back on the tray. Now you'll do that with the others too. Alright, and then after you get your ice cream balls all coated, you'll stick them back in the freezer for about another hour. Bye. Alright, so it's been almost an hour since our things have been in the freezer. Now, in a large pan, you're going to pour in some vegetable oil. So, you'll pour oil in about, how much did the recipe say?
It didn't say how much.
Well, we have, looks like about an inch in here.
I'd say we have 2 inches.
So, you'll you will turn on the burner so that your oil can start getting hot. Also, kids, do not do this without a parent's supervision. The oil can get extremely hot, and if you touch it, it will burn you, like a lot. So, do this with your parents. If you're a parent or an adult, then great, you can make it yourself. Still, don't touch the oil. It's time to fry it. You will need to do it very quickly. So, grab one of your ice cream balls with tongs and
cross your fingers.
Yeah. And put the ice cream ball into the hot oil. You will let it cook for about 20 to 25 seconds. And you will need to flip it too. As soon as it gets done cooking, put it on a plate with a paper towel. Then transfer it into a bowl. And you can get whatever toppings for it you want. We got whipped cream, chocolate drizzle, and caramel. I don't know how to tell if it's done or not.
I don't know either, but it was long enough.
Justin!
Hold on, it's not ready. It's gotta drip for a second.
Yeah, so you let it drip on the paper towel for a second. How is it? Does it need to be cooked longer?
I don't know. It's really good.
Oh, okay. He says it's really good.
Of course it is.
And this is the finished product. This is our beautiful fried ice cream. Alright, so that was delicious. So yeah, I hope you liked our fried ice cream. It was easy and, well, it took quite a while, but it was pretty fun to make, and it was delicious. So this is a fun little treat that you guys can make at home. And so yeah, like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you next week. Bye! I put lipstick on Claire. See? Look at those lips. You're so pretty, Claire. You're so... Aw, are you gonna kiss the camera? I must die now.